Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers, 23rd July 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professionals. Early career professionals means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience. Every Friday, we will upload new employment opportunity for early career professionals, and this week in this video, we are included 6 multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first one is Airbus Bangalore. Modeling and Simulation Engineer at Airbus Group India Private Limited, Bangalore. Airbus is a European multinational aerospace corporation. As of 2019, Airbus is the world's largest airliner manufacturer and took the most airline orders. It designs, manufactures and sells civil and military aerospace products worldwide and manufactures aircraft in the European Union and various other countries. The company has 3 divisions: commercial aircraft, defense and space, and helicopters. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Location of posting will be in Bangalore. Job ID is JR10075931. Position responsibilities: development of behavioral or physical models for various aircraft systems, verification and validation of models on target simulation platforms, ensure support for integration of these models with other system models to represent broader aircraft behavior, support the initiatives in the domain of system simulation driven by system community of Airbus globally. Required technical expertise: general awareness of aircraft and its system, good understanding of engineering fundamentals, system dynamics and use of first principles, knowledge of programming in C, C++ or MATLAB or Simulink, knowledge of control system and experience in modeling and simulation will be added advantage. Role is modeling and simulation engineer. Industry type is aerospace industry. Functional area is R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Experienced mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide both links in my description also. Next is Sandvik, Pune. Graduate Engineering Trainee at Sandvik Asia Private Limited, Pune. Sandvik is a Swedish multinational engineering company specializing in metal cutting, digital and additive manufacturing, mining and construction, stainless and special steel alloys and industrial heating. Sandvik Asia Private Limited, Pune is a member of the International Sandvik Group, Sweden. Sandvik Mining and Rock Solution is a leading supplier in equipment and tools, service and technical solutions for the mining and construction industries. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Location of posting will be in Pune. Job ID is R030617. Job description: to carry out activities related to production department of our rock tools division and the production unit in Pune. Position responsibilities: to maintain the global level of safety requirements, ensuring the process and equipments meet the safety standards, 100% compliance for EHS standards, prove out of parts setup of CNC machines and its operation and make required documentation, make process and fixture drawing, support team in CAD drawing and layout drawing to support facilitate 5S and point Kaizen activities for operations, etc. Other required competencies: familiar with the best personal safety practices in manufacturing industry, working hands-on CAD tools, good oral and written communication, proficiency in MS Office, etc. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is mining and rock technology. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 24th July 2021. Next is Alstom, Bangalore. LSA engineer at Alstom, Bangalore. Alstom is a French multinational rolling stock manufacturer operating worldwide in rail transport market, active in the field of passenger transportation, signaling and locomotives. It is one of the world's largest manufacturers of high-speed trains, tramways and metros, electrical and diesel trains, information systems, traction system, power supply system and track work. Alstom Transport operates in 70 countries and employs 26,000 people worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Location of posting will be in Bangalore. Purpose of the job: LSA engineer or manager is the main interlocutor with the other engineering and ILS function with the purpose to capture all information that can influence the maintenance strategy. LSA manager influence the design for integration, maintainability, constraint and constraint logic support constraint to influence the design equipment. Key accountabilities: identify the performance of allocation in compliance with the DFS effect, define maintenance plan and design of LSAMs, capitalize data in central ILS repository, ensure technical interfaces with the RS and component teams, ensure REX is collected and considered, manage relationship with the sourcing of ILS requirement clauses linked to sourcing concern, review supplier design proposals, etc. Competencies and skills: mandatory English fluent, good level communication skills, solid decision making and critical thinking, self-motivated, etc. Desirable: English fluent, people management, knowledge of the main ILS 11 applicable to railway equipment, communication skills, etc. Role is LSA engineer, function area is rail and trains, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply: interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Honeywell, Bangalore. Manufacturing engineer at Honeywell Automation India Limited, Bangalore. Honeywell International is an American MNC and it primarily operates in 4 areas of business: aerospace, building technologies, performance materials and technologies, and safety and productivity solutions. Honeywell is a Fortune 100 company and was ranked 92nd in 2019. The company has global workforce of approximately 110,000 workers. Honeywell Automation India Limited is a $350 million plus company. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is HRD 129689. Job description: be a part of team that applies its expertise and knowledge to develop, implement and maintain methods and process in the manufacture of fabrication of parts, components, sub-assemblies and final assemblies. Using your technical expertise, you will estimate manufacturing costs, determines time standards and makes recommendations for tooling and process requirements of new or existing product lines. Key responsibilities: idea generation, brainstorm solution, team coordination, risk analysis, coordinate resolution, process definition, project planning, etc. Role is manufacturing engineer, industry type is integrated supply chain, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply: industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Vestas, Chennai. Service technician at Vestas, Chennai. Vestas Wind System is a Danish manufacturer, seller, installer and servicer of wind turbine that was founded in 1945. Vestas core business comprises the development, manufacture, sale, marketing and maintenance of wind turbine. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is 10377. Describe the department. Customer service department handles post sales service operation to meet the contractual obligation with the customers. Responsibilities: work to the highest safety and environmental standard while ensuring that service targets are met. Ensure smooth operation of our turbine and use of our systems within condition monitoring and remote control. assemble components and main components according to current rules or work instruction if necessary, making use of internal or external cranes, innovative contact with the customers regarding completed and upcoming service and repairs, etc. Qualification: electrical, mechanical, or hydraulic experience accompanied by enthusiasm to develop your skills further within this field. Good English skill, both written and spoken, valid driver license, etc. Competencies: a significant understanding of and commitment to the highest standard of health and safety in the work environment, ability to climb a wind turbine and perform tough physical work in heights as well as in various weather conditions, solutions oriented, independent, and well organized in your work, etc. Role is service technician. Industry type is wind turbine. Functional area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 31st July 2021. Next is Sirkor, Daman. Design engineer at Sirkor International, Daman. Sirkor is a world leader in the development, engineering, manufacturing, distribution, service and support of fluid handling system. Sirkor also produces well-known global brands like IMO, Hortin and Warren, etc. The Sirkor mission extends beyond the pump to provide outstanding products and services to business around the globe. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 years. Location of posting will be in Daman. Position summary: the candidates will be a part of the global 2-screw ETO India engineering team. He will be work on the execution of 2-screw pump project depending on business priorities and needs. In this position, the candidates will collaboratively work with the local and overseas colleagues in engineering, project management, sales and marketing, operations and application engineering to ensure effective execution of the project. Responsibilities: provide end-to-end engineering support in the execution of 2-screw pump orders and meet the targeted engineering. Review order related documents and specifications and thereby select the suitable pump. Create BOM in SAP, executive CAD model and manufacturing drawing for the parts. Work closely with the global teams and communicate project requirements or updates through team conference calls and emails, etc. Knowledge, skills and abilities: strong CAD skill preferred, solid working experience in ERP systems preferred, SAP, exposure to SAP PLM system preferred, knowledge of relevant pump design standards and codes such as APE, STM, ASME, etc. Good spoken and written English skills. Education and experience: BE degree in mechanical engineering, 1 to 2 years of experience as a design engineer in rotating equipment, preferably in centrifugal or 2-screw pump industry. Role is design engineer. Industry type is pump industry. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply: interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.